Hi my chefs, today I'm going to show you how to make some really yummy delicious spare ribs. So first you need 1 pound spare ribs, some parsley for some garnish, green onion, bell pepper, it could be any color but I chose orange because it's nice and bright, ginger, onion, and of course minced garlic. Now for sauce we are going to use sesame oil, oyster sauce, remember the panda, and some cooking wine. Last but not least, black bean sauce. This makes the whole dish really yummy. It is from Lee Kum Kee. It's my favorite band. My family and I have been using it throughout our whole lives. So you ready to learn a whole new dish? Let's go! So first let's marinate the spare ribs first with sesame oil, half a teaspoon, black bean sauce, again half a teaspoon, oyster sauce, we would need 1 teaspoon, and cooking wine, half a tablespoon. So now you just mix it together. You can already taste the black bean sauce. It's so good. Now we're gonna cut up the garnish. Just slicing the bulb of the green onion. I don't want it to be too thick. All right. So this you don't mince it, you cut it up like about half an inch. Put this aside. And now this is the cilantro. It has a fantastic taste to it. Bell pepper, so this one here, I like to cut it into little strips. Put this aside, and then we are going to cut some ginger. We're gonna shred it like that. Ginger tastes really good. See this? We're gonna chop a bit of onion. Just like that. Just a little piece today. So I stripped it again, just like the pepper. So now let's make some amazing food. Turn high, because we want the pan to be super hot. So I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of oil. I'm using the grapeseed oil. You can use canola if you like. One teaspoon of garlic. Add the ginger and the onions. Stir fry it for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now you want to add in the spare ribs. So I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of water. You put the lid on. Do you know when it's going to be ready to flip? When you see steams coming out of the lid, that's when you start stirring the meat. A little bit of steam is coming out. That means it's steaming and cooking at the same time. Should be around three minutes. Okay, I can hear it sizzling and the steam coming out. So we're gonna lift the lid. You see that? All the water has gone. It's caramelizing. Flip it. Now you want to add in the pepper. Look how beautiful it looks. So I want the color to darken it and have a little bit more flavor. So I'm going to add a little bit more oyster sauce. I would say about 2 tablespoons. So you just want to stir it until it caramelizes. Look how beautiful it looks now. If you want it a little bit saucier, you can add in more oyster sauce if you like. So it's almost done. I'm going to add in the green onion. You add this last because you don't want it to be soggy and overcooked. Okay, we are done. Add some cilantro for garnish. Look how yummy it looks. This is just one of the dish that we normally eat at home. This is so yummy. So that's how you make pan-fried spare ribs. It's really awesome. I hope you give it a try and subscribe and follow if you like my cooking. See you next time. Bye.